Those who are into speakers know that it's not easy to choose the best speaker stands, and it takes a lot of time to find the right one. Today's video will help you select the best one that suits your needs. The VTible Zero1 is the 5th product on the list today. The VTible Zero1 has adjustable top plates and a height range between 33.75 and 59 inches. The combination of their textured, powder-coated cast iron bases and sturdy pillars allow them to accommodate a variety of surround sound and mini speakers depending on your needs. Check out the 4th product on our list, the Mountit Mi28B. This product is compatible with Bose, Sonos, Jewel, Lifestyle, Samsung, JBL, Panasonic, Yamaha, and more. Mi28B pair of universal bookshelf speaker stands are heavy-duty and durable. They'll keep your speakers stable and secure. Premium and clean steel construction looks great, conceals cables, and optimizes the performance of your speaker by minimizing floor distortion. The columns can even be loaded with sand to reduce resonance and increase stability. The bottom of the stand comes with spikes and rubber pads for carpet and hardwood floor mounting. The heavy-duty design provides 22 pounds of load capacity. At number 3, check out the Pangaea Audio DS400. Pangaea Audio's new DS400 speaker stand uses ultra-strong support piers to provide an incredibly solid and rigid base for compact monitors and other bookshelf-type speakers. As always, Pangaea provides huge amounts of performance for a remarkably low price. Inside a conventional loudspeaker are piston-type drivers that move back and forth to generate sound waves in the air. Larger, floor-standing speaker cabinets can absorb a lot of this vibration energy. Any excess energy is transmitted by steel spikes into the floor. Smaller cabinets are unable to absorb all this excess energy and require a speaker stand to transfer this excess energy into the floor. The Kanto SP26 is the second best product on the list today. Get the most out of your bookshelf speakers using this pair of black SP26 bookshelf speaker stands from Kanto. These low-profile stands elevate your speakers to ensure even more sound reaches your ears. Their solid seal structure provides stability and reduces unwanted vibrations caused by lower frequencies. Additionally, each stand features a hollow core to conceal unsightly speaker wires. Both flat and spiked feet are available to accommodate carpet and hardwood flooring. And the number 1 product on the list today is the Ultimate Support MS90. The MS90 36 second generation column studio monitor stands from Ultimate Support provide exceptional strength and durability for home, studio, or professional use. Each stand features 3 internal channels, 2 of which are used for routing audio and power cables for a clean look. The final channel can be filled with sand, shot, or other weights for additional stability.
We hope you enjoyed this video, but please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.